Hey everybody, Mr. Vloxel here. I've been requested to post a tutorial on how to add a workshop collection or add-ons mods into your Garry's Mod server. Now it's fairly easy, it's very straightforward, and here's how you're going to do it. So we're going to go into our Steam Workshop, and we're going to go into Garry's Mod. We're going to look for under Browse Collections. And we're going to go into Create Collection. Now you got to make sure that you have these mods already subscribed in order to add them into your collection. Or you can, once you make the collection, you can go into the workshop and add them through that. And I'll show you how to do that as well. So we're going to create the collection. We're just going to name this Gmod tutorial. You don't have to select an image. You don't have to put a description, any of that. You don't have to mark any categories. That's mainly if you're creating a workshop for a big community and all that. You can show the tags in it, show what it offers, is it roleplay, or, is got weapons in it, models, stuff like that, or like server content. So once you do that, put your name in, hit save and continue. Oh, never mind. Okay. Apparently you do have to do a branding image now. So we're just gonna set this to an MSI wallpaper, because that's all I got. And save and continue. And no longer than 2 megabyte. Okay. You know what? We'll do this. I already have a few collections made. One for that's Daisy. We'll do my old Dark RP server. There we go. Now, as you see, all these add-ons are in here. We have Dark RP, 3D, 2D text screen, which is a very common one. Advanced duplicator is a very common one. Painting door tool, couple models, weapons, armor props, stacker tools, stuff like that. So once you get your collection created, you'll see the share icon. You're going to go down here, you're going to hit share, and you're going to see this link down here. The only thing you need out of this link is this number on the very end after it says ID equals. This is your workshop collection ID. This is what you're going to need. So we're going to copy that. And now you're going to want to go into your server start.bat file. Go ahead and open it with Notepad. I already have. And I will leave this command line in the description this time. I'll be sure not to forget it, because I know I did a couple times before. But we're going to do... We can do this after... We'll do it after Game Mode Sandbox. I don't think it really matters what order you put it in, but you're going to want to do a space after Game Mode Sandbox. You want to do plus host underscore workshop underscore collection. That is the command line. And then you want to hit space, and you're going to want to put that ID in there. Now, I am remoting onto my test server, so I can't copy and paste into it because it doesn't allow me to. So we're going to have to manually type this. So 295.0.22.6160. I wasn't even typing. All right, let's try this again. 295.0.22.6160. Oh, almost messed up there. 6160. There we go. All right. Once that's done, you want to go File, Save, and then we are going to close out of there, and we're going to hit our Start server. And now when you start it up, you're going to see initializing Steam libraries for Workshop, waiting for Steam to log us in. And it's going to go through and it's going to download each and every one of these mods into your Garry's Mod server, which does take a little bit of time. So I'm going to pause the video and we will come back to it. All right, and now that that's done, don't mind the errors. I have a couple things broken on this server, but it'll still work. Once you get the VAX secure mode is activated, you can go into your Garry's Mod, which I have right here. My multiplayer game, local. And here's our server. I'm just going to join that. It might take a moment. I'm going to there it is. Another thing I forgot to do. Properties, quick edit mode off. I don't know if I announced that in the previous video, but if you have quick edit mode enabled, this console likes to freeze up and it won't let you join every time that, like, after like 30 seconds to a minute, you have to press like a key and it continues it. So just right click on the top, you go to properties, and then just disable quick edit mode and your server won't freeze up. But now we're in our server, my Garry's Mod server. And if we go into our spawn menu, we go to our weapons, you can see we have all of our mods that we have added. And just as easy as that, you got everything from your perma props to your 3D, 2D text screen, and anything else we added. So our ATM machine for Dark RP. You got all our models, and I didn't add any vehicles, but that is how you add your add-ons into your Garry's Mod server. Pretty easy. Hope that helps everybody, and we'll see you in the next one. Please leave a comment on what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see something else added, maybe we can go farther into ULX and how all that works, and we'll go from there. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy.